Okay, Garmin.
What the fuck? Bro, what was that?
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? Idiot? Whoa! Dude, I got that on camera.
I love being a pesita, guys.
Parked in a circle line there, lad.
Say that again?
Parked in a circle line there, lad.
You've just been the chip head.
It's still illegal.
What is?
Parking in a circle line. You're not even allowed to cross that white line in a motor vehicle.
Who says that?
Your way code and the police. Solid white line. Anywhere in your way code.
You get past the jump to me for you.
Well, it's up to you.
No, it's just you get past. You can't get past
You can get past. But the point is, I've got to go out into 40 mile an hour traffic and range, lad.
Come to me if you want me, it's mine, not problem.
Well, like, just letting you know, it's illegal.
Alright, mate, sorry.
It isn't so much here, lad. It's fucking tipper trucks all the time.
What, here?
Yeah.
Mate.
I've been sorry.
Do you know what? I'm not going to take the piss. I didn't even know it's legal.
Yeah.
I'm not taking the piss out. I've done more a long time ago. You need to be on me, it's not a problem, mate.
No, mate.
No, mate, no problem.
I will stick you on YouTube, though.
Alright, mate, see you later.
Good luck, lads. Have a good day.
See you later, mate.
Fair enough, nice fella. Oh.
Hey, let's go. Go. Looks like a good lorry driver. I'm going to pull up right, not left. Like that. So if some bit comes down, I can get straight through. Where are you going? Where are you going? Back. Get back. Arsehole. You fucking arsehole. Yeah. It's stuck on this side. No apology, no revenge. person put his arm out in the world. What do you expect me to do? I can't read signs. We can't read signs. You don't read the signs either, were you, pal? You're an idiot, tell him. Watch yourself on YouTube. You're a ignorant piece of shit. That's all you are. You're just shit, mate. Get back in your fucking place behind. Back in your place behind, you stupid little shit. Idiot. Read signs.